Alright, so now let's talk about the environment variables in PowerShell. So in order to get the environment variables, we can use either a GCI, get child items, ls or dir, and then the env colon. So this will list out all the available environment variables. Now we can get any specific environment variable by passing its name. So let's say I want to get the environment variable path, and if I execute the same command but after colon, I will pass the environment variable name that I want to guess. So that is path. As you can see, we have the name as well as value. Let's try another one. Let's say we have the username, right? So if I pass it here, as you can see, we have the name and value. Now we can add our own environment variables to this list. So to set environment variables to the list that is this list, so let's add a temporary variable. Let's say to do that, we can use this syntax like $env and then colon, and let's say a variable that I want to generate is Zaman, and assign a value that is a string type, and let's say Zaman. And now if I view the environment variables, we have the value that is variable name Zaman, added value is Zaman. So now we can, like using the same methodology, we can add other variables as well. So let's add another one. Let's say $env, then test, and the value is also test. And now if I get the environment variables, that is right here. Now we can remove environment variables as well. So let's say I want to remove the test as well as Zaman environment variables from here. So we can use the remove item and then passing dash path and then the env and colon, let's say Zaman. And now if I check the environment variables, now the Zaman is removed. Now we can do the same for the test. So let's do it. The command is remove item dash path env colon test. And now if I check the environment variables, the temp environment variable is now removed. So that is how we can add and remove and list out the available environment variables in PowerShell. See you in the next section.